So, Kamber, one of the things we've spoken about is how we make the password more secure. And actually, you said something earlier about we get rid of passwords altogether. Now, that will ring alarm bells. People will go, "That's not secure," but you've got a unique approach to that called PINgrid. Can you show me that? Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure. PINgrid is built using the true two-factor authentication technologies. Like I mentioned earlier, some companies, they sell two-factor as something that you have and something that which is a password and the one-time passcode. We've combined both things together. Now, how do we do it? We've got a grid that generates random numbers every 60 seconds or every time you use it. And you have a pattern overlaying that grid. Imagine you have a 6x6 grid, and you set your pattern could be the first letter of your name, in this case, K for me.
Yeah.
Okay. And the numbers, the corresponding numbers behind that shape, the pattern, would become my one-time passcode. So it looks something like this, just to give you an idea. So like this.
Oh, so it's like a Sudoku grid, but a little bit smaller?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
And you set the pattern, so say for example, my pattern here is K. Okay, so these numbers are my one-time passcode. I don't touch it, I was just touching just to show you, but if I want to log in, I just look at the numbers, type in the numbers into, say for example, I want to log into my desktop or my Office 365. I just type the numbers in and that's it.
And this timer bar's going off down here.
Exactly.
So these numbers are going to change in a minute, I'm guessing.
Yes. Within 60 seconds, they will change. Or if I use it, it'll automatically then change the numbers. If I use this one-time passcode, it'll automatically change it. The good thing about this solution is you don't have to be online. It can work completely offline. So if you're up in the air or down at the bunker, you can still use it because there's no internet connection or data connection that's needed for it.
So there's an interest. I mean, that's a lovely app that's on there, and that's available on Android and iOS.
All app stores, all major app stores, you can download Authlogics Authentication.
What about if I'm a nurse in an NHS trust, for example?
Yes.
I'm not going to be giving all the nurses in the NHS smartphones to, because they'll have a pager and they'll need access to a different terminal. How does that work?
So to help in these scenarios where people can't carry a secondary device, we've got a device list token. And that device list token can pop up on your, say, desktop logon credential or on the websites, or we can integrate them within the websites or cloud logons. And using that, you don't have to carry any separate device.
So standard APIs or login?
Just standard, we've got SDKs, web service APIs, you can just integrate with any custom solution.
So that's the PINgrid, that's...
Yes, and that's how you log in without the password. You type in your one-time passcode instead, because the one-time passcode is irreversible. It's made using two combinations. One is the pattern, the other one is the random generator.
Yeah, and that's a unique algorithm based on my profile.
Absolutely.
Because you would get different numbers.
Your profile, your device at that specific time.
So very, very secure.
Very, very secure. I'm not going to go too much into the algorithm, but that's how